Is your Mercedes S-Class display going black when you launch Apple CarPlay? Statistically, 80% of these black screen issues are just software glitches that a quick system reset can handle. Let's walk through the steps to get your connection back online. Start by ruling out physical hardware issues like frayed cables or debris in the USB port. If the hardware is fine, the problem usually stems from outdated firmware or a corrupted Bluetooth handshake. Try deleting the device from your MBUX menu and forgetting the car's profile on your iPhone before repairing. While most issues are fixable at home, hardware failures in the head unit will require professional diagnostics. As you can see, cables and software account for the vast majority of black screen occurrences. A hard reset forces the MBUX system to clear its cache and reinitialize the multimedia interface. Keep a certified cable in your glove box to quickly troubleshoot connection drops while on the road. If the screen stays black after a hard reset, don't force further repairs. Visit a dealer to avoid voiding your warranty. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check for MBUX updates during your next service visit.